Are you looking to send or receive more than a few $100s on Venmo, or maybe looking to use features like direct deposit or Venmo debit card? If so, you've probably hit a roadblock: identity verification. It's that moment when Venmo says, "Hold on a second, who are you?" And it can be frustrating if you don't know why it's happening or how to get past it. For many, Venmo is just a quick and easy way to split a dinner bill or pay a friend back for concert tickets. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find it's a powerful financial tool with a lot more to offer. The catch? To unlock its full potential and comply with financial regulations, Venmo needs to know who you are. This isn't Venmo trying to be nosy. It's a standard practice across the financial industry, driven by laws designed to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. Think of it as a digital handshake that confirms you're a legitimate user. The journey to full Venmo functionality often begins with a simple transaction. You start using the app, sending small amounts here and there. Everything works seamlessly. Then, you try to send a larger sum, or perhaps you want to set up direct deposit for your paycheck, and suddenly, you are prompted to verify your identity. This can come as a surprise, leaving many users wondering, why now? The answer lies in the cumulative nature of your transactions and Venmo's responsibility to adhere to financial regulations. As your usage grows, so does the need for a higher level of trust and security. Without identity verification, your Venmo experience will be limited. You'll face caps on how much you can send and receive, which can quickly become a hindrance if you're using Venmo for more than just small, casual transactions. Imagine trying to pay rent or a significant bill and being told you've hit your limit. It's not just about the monetary caps. Certain features like applying for a Venmo debit card, using Venmo for business profiles, or even simply cashing out larger balances to your bank account all hinge on a verified identity. Essentially, identity verification is the key that unlocks the full suite of Venmo's capabilities, transforming it from a casual payment app into a comprehensive financial tool. So, how do you navigate this seemingly complex process? It's actually quite straightforward, and this video will walk you through every step, ensuring you understand not only what to do but why you're doing it. We'll cover everything from the documents you'll need to common pitfalls to avoid, making your identity verification journey as smooth as possible. By the end of this, you'll be well equipped to unlock all that Venmo has to offer, sending and receiving funds with greater freedom and accessing features that will truly enhance your financial management. Now, let's dive into the specifics of how to verify your identity on Venmo. The process is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through a series of steps to confirm your information. The first and most crucial step is understanding the documents Venmo will ask for. Generally, this includes a valid government-issued photo ID. We're talking about a driver's license, a state ID, or a passport. These are the primary forms of identification that most financial institutions, including Venmo, rely on to establish your identity. It's vital that the ID you provide is current, unexpired, and clearly shows your photo, full name, and date of birth. Any discrepancies or an expired ID will likely lead to delays or rejection of your verification attempt. Beyond your ID, Venmo will also require your Social Security number, or SSN. This might raise an eyebrow for some, but it's a standard requirement under U.S. financial regulations, specifically the Patriot Act, which mandates financial institutions to obtain, verify, and record information that identifies each person who opens an account. Your SSN helps Venmo confirm your identity with credit bureaus and other databases, adding another layer of security and compliance. Rest assured, Venmo treats your SSN with the utmost security and confidentiality, using it solely for identity verification and regulatory compliance. Finally, you'll need to provide your full legal name and date of birth. It's critical that this information exactly matches what appears on your government-issued ID and with your SSN. Even minor discrepancies, like a middle initial being omitted or a nickname being used instead of your legal first name, can cause issues. Venmo uses this information to cross-reference with the documents you provide, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Think of it as a puzzle where all the pieces, your ID, SSN, name, and date of birth must fit together perfectly to form a complete and verifiable profile. Once you have these essential documents and information ready, the actual verification process within the Venmo app is quite streamlined. You'll typically be prompted to verify your identity when you attempt a transaction that exceeds certain limits, or when you try to access a feature that requires a verified account. Alternatively, you can proactively initiate the verification process by navigating to the settings within the Venmo app. Look for an option like Identity Verification or Verify Your Identity. This will usually be found under the Security or Profile sections of your settings. When you begin the verification process, Venmo will guide you through a series of prompts. You'll likely be asked to enter your full legal name, date of birth, and SSN. After entering this information, you'll be prompted to upload images of your government-issued ID. This is where clarity and good lighting are key. Make sure the photos of your ID are well lit, in focus, and show all the necessary information clearly. Avoid glare, shadows, or blurry images, as these can lead to your submission being rejected and requiring you to resubmit. Venmo often provides tips within the app for taking good photos of your ID, so pay attention to those guidelines. In some cases, Venmo might require an additional step, taking a selfie or a video of yourself. This is a common security measure known as liveness detection or biometric verification. It helps Venmo confirm that the person submitting the ID is indeed the legitimate owner of the ID and not a fraudster using a stolen image. When prompted for a selfie or video, ensure you're in a well-lit area and follow the on-screen instructions precisely. This might involve turning your head slightly, blinking, or repeating a few words. These actions help the system confirm that you are a live person and not just a static image. While it might feel a bit unusual, it's a powerful tool in combating identity theft and ensuring the security of your account. After you've submitted all the required information and documents, Venmo will review your submission. The review process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days, depending on the volume of requests and the complexity of your submission. During this time, it's essential to be patient. You'll typically receive a notification within the Venmo app or via email once your identity has been successfully verified, or if there are any issues that require your attention. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.